I am super excited to get this 80-quart boiler. We're going to have a seafood boil, and we're going to show you everything at the end on how it all worked. My name is Diana. I was sent this 80-quart boiler in return for this video. I'm going to go over all the features, what it takes to put it all together, and you can decide if it's something you want. So here's what you get. You get everything you need except the propane tank and one AAA battery. Here are all the parts, and it was pretty easy to assemble, but do set aside 30 minutes or so because you will need to screw a number of things together. The final thing you will need to do is insert a AAA battery into this hole, as this is the electric ignition switch. You will know it is working when you see a spark here. You've got a super sturdy 80-quart aluminum pot, a big basket for all your crab, crawfish, shrimp, corn, potatoes, you name it. There's a powerful propane burner with a 50,000 BTU output and a 10 PSI regulator that keeps the heat steady. Oh, and there's even a heat shield under the burner to protect your patio or deck. Smart, right? Using it is surprisingly simple. Fill the pot with water and your favorite seasonings, then fire it up. Once it's boiling, drop in your seafood and veggies using the basket. This is important to note. The pot should never be filled more than 3 inches from the top. When it's done, use the hanger style lifter to pull the basket out and dig in. As you can see, it was incredible. We had so much fun and the food was amazing. So if you're looking for a great way to cook out back, and it doesn't just have to be a seafood boil, you can do all sorts of things in this. Definitely check it out.